floor of the CME Group. This is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. You know what? Volume in the S&P is about as low as it would be on like a Christmas Eve. We don't even have 800,000 minis traded. As we said last week, there was going to be about 50% less economic numbers and a hell of a lot less Fed speak. I think we've got 2 Fed governors speaking this week. It's a whole different change from what we saw last week. Now, when you take out the 120,000 minis that we had traded in Globex pre-open, total volume drops down to 700,000. Oosh! The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1704.70 early in the day. The low came in at 1699 even after the open, and last we're 1702.30. We're up 1.7 handles. Total volume 820,000 minis trade right now as we speak, and 2,500 big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, we had 170 million to buy. Tomorrow we've got the international trade number, we've got the Redbook, we've got Chales Evans speaking, we got the Joltz number and a 3-year note auction. Now the big thing about this is what's being talked about on the trading floor here, and that's that all of August could be like this. After a big spurt in volume last month and over in the euro-dollar options, 3.4 million options traded in one day, they're back down to 200,000 and 300,000 options a day over there. Same thing over in the 10-year note option. They had record volume over there a month ago, and they're not doing anything. Here in the S&P options, we only have 7,700 options traded. That should speak for itself. We're going to leave it like that. The cash close the fixing for the S&P is 1702.44. We'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.